I don't want Justin to suffer because of this.
But don't make Audrey bully you because of her own insecurities and demons.
Her lawyer seems to be the one that's encouraging her to come after me.
Really?
Hmm.
Oh, yeah. You know who the lawyer is?
Yes, one of our old school friends, a very ardent, straightforward feminist.
Should they hear or she overseas?
She travels a lot. She lives here.
Name, number, and address.
Gee.
What?
I'ma leave next week. You know, I feel like relationship thing and nothing.
Hey, you need to have a serious talk with him, you know. You need to know where him stand. You have to know what you want.
I know whisper. Me go try talk to him before him leave. If not, me just wait till he come back.
Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That?
Oh, what? Pass the message yeah?
No, Vanessa.
Vanessa? Who what?
You say she want to talk to me. Yo, yeah, me drop it off yesterday, brother. Me done discuss a location. You know me not come on your side. Alright, little more. But this one of things say me I eat that.
You know, I'm beginning to feel that you don't like me much, you know.
Well, me never know say you. Me never seen no one act before.
Hmm. You know how it go? You have to change it up sometimes.
Yeah, me overs. So I go on.
Not now go on by my side. Go on by yours.
Not go on for my side neither. You know, but just there upon hustle.
You sure you don't have nothing to tell me?
Like what? Remember say our business done, you know?
Business done?
Well, I pick it up, wait them for pick it up. I drop it off, wait them for drop it off. So yeah, business done.
Hmm. So, you tell me the story, you tell me the beginning, and you tell me the end. But somehow you manage to leave out the middle. Now, you and I know so every story have a beginning, a middle, and an end. And it's the middle where all the juicy details are.
Me not over there talk about. Which make like talk about?
You were late with the laptop.
Oh, you know me during a little traffic. Spot check the dip on the road, man. That's why.
Spot check. So them did check you.
No, them not search me. Me just stuck in till the road cool off and then me drop it off.
And then you go ghost after that. Me, I try get you for weeks now.
Boss man, work different, you know. After a certain job, you know me have to change my number and move on. Me not stay this again.
Yeah, I know how you work. I hear how you work. You don't work with one client twice. You don't want to know what the package is. You don't even want to know them name. Yeah, I know.
Me not like create ties in my hustle. It really not good for business.
I see say you watch the movie Transporter.
Funny you say that. Actually, my favorite movie.
I can understand why. It's a very smart way to do business. And you're a very brave man.
Fear is really not a good thing, you know. It stop you from truly living.
I respect you. And I respect how you do business. But I have to protect my own too.
Well, I have to protect mine as well. So I understand.